kids! Today we're going to explore 35 flying vehicles, from airplanes and rockets to helicopters and flying cars. Let's take off! Military helicopter carries soldiers and supplies to faraway areas. It's strong and fast. Airplane takes passengers high across the sky to different countries. Space probe flies far into space to study planets and stars. Seaplane can land and take off on water. Great for lakes and islands. Police helicopter watches from above and helps officers during emergencies. Rocket flies straight into space at super speed. Air tanker refuels other airplanes while flying. Teamwork in the sky. Drone, a small flying robot used for filming, rescue, and delivery. Hot air balloon floats high using hot air, slow and relaxing. Cargo plane carries heavy goods like food, machines, and mail around the world. Rescue helicopter helps people during floods, fires, or mountain rescues. Private jet, small, fast airplane for private or business trips. Rescue drone used by rescuers to find people in danger. Mars rocket carries robots and explorers to study Mars. Glider flies without an engine, just air and wind power. Passenger jet carries hundreds of travelers across the world comfortably. Attack helicopter, a military helicopter used to protect and defend. Space shuttle flies to space and comes back like an airplane. Stealth bomber flies quietly so radar can't see it, like a sky ninja. Medical helicopter carries doctors and patients during emergencies. Jet trainer used to teach new pilots how to fly safely. Space capsule brings astronauts safely back to Earth after space missions. Propeller plane, older but reliable, uses spinning blades to fly. Supersonic jet flies faster than the speed of sound. Observation helicopter used by reporters and scientists to study weather and nature. Parachute lets people safely float down from the sky. Firefighting plane drops water on wildfires to protect forests. Glider jet, a light aircraft that glides smoothly using small engines. Cargo drone delivers packages to places cars can't reach. Weather balloon collects weather data high above the clouds. Fighter jet, super fast and powerful airplane used for defense missions. Air ambulance flies injured people to hospitals quickly, saving lives. Wow! We've learned about 35 amazing flying machines, from tiny drones to giant rockets. Each one has a special job to fly, explore, protect, or rescue. Which one is your favorite? The rocket, the helicopter, or the jet? Thanks for flying with my zippy minds. See you next time!